I say, one I say, me dip on the black, me dip on the chat. Some boy I know the hop now the shot. Me dip on the lunchtime, you know. So what I go on now? Alright, you know say for my channel, me deal with my opinion. You see me I say? I talk and eat today, but you don't watch nothing. I don't know anything set. I have to go back and work. Alright, let me put on food for you look over there, man. Yeah, so here what happened now. Based on my opinion. Big up to Jamaican P. This man say John Roster, we have to laugh, you know. We have to laugh still. You know what make me laugh? L.A. Lewis say L.A. Lewis say him a the social media god. You see me I say? Me see L.A. Lewis just put up a right now L.A. Lewis has struggled to get views like me right now. Cause when Jamaican P put up a video in an hour time, views are fly up 1,000 and 2,000 and me see LL Rose put up a video with 2 hours and I just like 400 odd views him a get. I notice LL Lewis do videos back to back live pan LL Lewis live on Facebook, YouTube, everything. I do video back to back. And a big Jamaican P man I talk about. Remember, you know, a footer hype is the biggest subject right now. For what go on with footer hype. You see me I say? But he might talk about Jamaican P most. So, you look to me like you might look views off of Jamaican P. So all our people them, when a man say in my social media God, you're not supposed to have your look, you're not supposed to have your look no views off of one. Neither social media man. So that means to say Jamaican P long way bigger than him then. Told me see it. You see me I say, so you left me in the comment section and tell me if I lie me I tell. Jamaican P wipe him out long time, you know. Till me not even know say him would come back. I'm frightened when me and talk about Jamaican P. And then he must say, I think L.A. Lewis in the alphabetical people them group, you know. I think I'm one eye fish. Cause L.A. Lewis getting us some details. Me now say my it still. But me I say based on how me and my talk, me think he might one of them. Me not sure. He must say footer hype. True footer hype lick out for a certain thing. You say footer hype, they lock him up for. They say I kidnap footer hype. Quote unquote, L.A. Lewis say they kidnap footer hype for do whatsoever. Cause remember say they went threatening footer hype, you know. So they must say that they kidnap him for. That's why I think say he must be in it. But I in idea, me in the US and at the end of the day, once your documents not right, you don't know where you go. If you have one little, it must be something bad, you understand? It can be like your thing expired right now. It's a man say, and once you go in a certain system where you have to use the documents, they're gonna know. As what me say, it happened to me already. When me green card up and me wait for the next one, they send me a letter up. They send me another letter and me never give work. Them say red flag up on my name. Me have to stop work. Me have to go give them the next one and get back on the work. So I just saw a system work. So me can't say nothing about that. What L.A. Lewis I said. But L.A. Lewis, they are Jamaican L.A. Lewis now. Me feel say L.A. Lewis because me feel say the brother them fi check him out. You see me I say, me feel say something wrong with L.A. Lewis still. You get what me I deal with? L.A. Lewis need that evaluation. Remember me telling you that blood clean. If you evaluate L.A. Lewis. Because I remember the time when we used to rap a crap and no clothes. Now when do a video where they say them put Jamaican P in a jail and molest him and know him sick in his head and I chat a whole heap of crap. You see me I say, and him put up a video just now again I talk about Jamaican P. So me don't know brethren. But me know say me don't think L.A. Lewis know Jamaican P. L.A. Lewis don't go see him on internet. You see me I say, me don't know none of them, me don't go see them on internet, said way. But me know an internet thing work. You see me I deal with. So, but yo, when me go to Trinidad in a 07 to 08, Trinidad have a lot of alphabetical people over there. And when me go over there and me book some girl, them tell me, so yo, we know, so we don't deal with the alphabetical thing. So be careful. Don't try to in nothing with them, because they will cause a fight and make you get in a jail. And when you get in a jail, they will hold you and rape you. Or some big 1,000-pound man will hold you and rape you. So try not in nothing with nobody. So when me go over there, woman warn me about that. So me just keep myself to myself. You see me I deal with. So remember, you know, L.A. Lewis when go in a jail, you know, so me I wonder, because I say L.A. Lewis when get locked up, you know, me for last year or when they lock him up. So me I wonder if I that then do him in a jail. So now he might pick out through JP say him go to jail already. So he must say pick out that now and I say I that then do to JP. You see me I say? And say I that them I do to Footer Hype, you know. So I must that happen to him. Me no know, no left in the comment section. Let me hear what I go on. So it kinda funny. But that video yeah, I just want to know left in the comment section and tell me if you don't think say a views Jamaica. Cause me here I mean L.A. Lewis. L.A. Lewis I look views because remember when L.A. Lewis just come out, you know, he attack Soulflow. Big sitting. And Soulflow lock him down. Him say him a the social media god. And he said he lose him page and him a come up back now. So him depend on JP because JP Jamaican P have a lot of subscribers and views. So him depend on JP, you know. So every video man put up Jamaican P in it. I swear to God. So when I left in the comment section, you see me I say L.A. Lewis, you have to fix up a thing. I talk too much crap on YouTube and social media. You have to fix up yourself. People that say you're mentally ill that. People say you're mentally ill. Remember I said other day when you end up on the highway they talk about the police them about this the Chinese them on the road. Remember I said they just lock up your blood cleat, you know. And then I don't support that still, but based on me see video come like them I say, yo, I want madman this, I will take him off the road. You don't know. Yeah. So big up Jamaican P. And LA Lewis. You're there on social media long time, brethren. You say an artist, man, go build some tune. You try if you look no views off of nobody then. You have to build up your own thing. I must say Jamaican P come out and do his own shit, you know, and views up fast, you know. You have to be creative then. You have to chat too much crap on the social media. You see my deal with? And I don't come here to take up for nobody, I just attack reality based off of my opinion. Because I watch YouTube and social media, Facebook, and I see everything want go on. You see me I say? So on the left in the comment section. LA Lewis, I look views. LA Lewis, you can't try nothing with me. Because if I lyrics, me sick. Because you don't know nobody. Remember so when you just bust, you know. You never have no song. You walk around and chat and you never have no song. Me even do a tune back in the day, say LA Lewis not have no song. You see me I say, so any idea you can't try nothing. Because me do one tune and lock you down completely off of this planet. You understand what I say? Yeah, one song and lock you down off of this planet complete. You see me I say? Yeah. So, you know make sense to come and chat no crap about easy. You see me I deal with? Yeah. You just left in the comment section and like and share all of my new people that subscribe. And give me a thumbs up right away. Give me 1,001 on this thumbs up. You see me I say keep it real. Jamaica, I love you. One love. I'm out.